A stainless steel kitchen sink can instantly upgrade your kitchen, but only if it's installed correctly. In this video, we'll walk through the full process in 5 simple steps, so you can get a clean, secure, and professional result. Step 1. Box and tools. Inside the box, you'll find the stainless steel sink and the cutout template. The strainer is included, while other accessories are sold separately. You'll need a marble cutter, measuring tape, sealant, pencil, safety gloves, and safety glasses. Spirit level. Handle the sink carefully, as the edges can be sharp. Step 2. Site prep. Turn off the water supply and make sure the slab surface is clean and free of debris. Place the template at your chosen location and mark the cutting area clearly using a pencil or marker. Step 3. Top mount. Cut the slab along the marked line and smooth the edges. Apply sealant under the sink rim. Place the sink into the cutout and align it properly. Wipe away any excess sealant and allow it to cure for 24 hours. Step 4. Flush and undermount. For a flush mount, cut a shallow groove so the sink rim sits level with the countertop. Apply sealant. Position the sink and align it flush. For an undermount, position the sink below the slab, measure carefully from all sides, apply filler if needed, and seal the edges to make the installation waterproof. Step 5. Finish up. Install the strainer, connect the drain pipe, and fit the kitchen faucet and accessories of your choice. Once everything is connected, check alignment and allow the sealant to fully cure before use. That's it! Your stainless steel kitchen sink is now ready to use. If this guide helped you, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step installation tips and smart home solutions.